folks, I've got number 814 to show you today. This is a Scout ukulele. This is the model I make from Shop Scraps. They're little soprano scale instruments that I make when I have the time, and they go out to a waiting list. And I haven't made one for 3 months, but it's time to get a couple going. So here we are with the first one. Got a really cool quilted maple back, kind of plain maple sides with a hemlock top. And I wish I could find more hemlock like this. Grows all around here, but this old growth type boards, I don't see that very often. It's got oak binding with a cool little purfling on it, fir neck, and then walnut all up here. And I really like it. It's really cheerful. I think hemlock is a good top wood. Yeah, so this is going to go out to the waiting list today from Nicole, and I'm looking forward to get a couple more of these done this summer. 814. Cheers.